Here's a psychology fact you're absolutely not ready for. Your phone is not destroying your focus. You trained your brain to get distracted. Yeah, I know. Sounds rude, but it's true. We like to blame the phone. Ugh, stupid Instagram. Ugh, stupid notifications. Ugh, stupid brain. But the real problem, our brains have become like little puppies, running after every digital squirrel that pops up on our screens. And today, I'm gonna prove it to you. So listen carefully, because in the next few minutes, you'll understand exactly why your phone is silently messing with your ability to concentrate, why your attention span feels like a goldfish with anxiety, and how a simple one-week detox can completely reset your brain. Let's begin with something embarrassing. Have you ever opened your phone to check one message, then somehow ended up scrolling through memes, reels, shorts, random cat videos, a guy making a sandwich, a baby laughing, a dog wearing sunglasses, and then you suddenly snap back like, wait, what was I supposed to do? Congratulations, your brain has been hijacked. And don't worry, mine too. Humans in 2025 basically have two personalities. The productive version of us, who says, I will do my work, I will focus, I will be a disciplined human being. And the distracted version, who says, ooh, someone posted a funny reel. Guess who wins? Yeah, the reel, every time. Now let me tell you why. Your phone is designed, literally engineered, to break your focus. And it doesn't do it once, it does it every few minutes. Each notification is like your brain's slot machine. Maybe it's important, maybe it's entertaining, maybe someone liked your story, maybe someone texted you, maybe your crush said, hi. They didn't, I'm sorry. Every swipe, every tap, every little red dot fires a tiny shot of dopamine inside your brain. And soon, your brain starts craving those tiny shots like a kid craving chocolate. So what happens? Your brain starts scanning for distraction constantly, even when your phone is off. Ever feel that ghost vibration? Your phone didn't vibrate, your brain vibrated. But here's the bigger problem. When your focus breaks, it takes around 20 to 25 minutes to fully get back into deep concentration. So if you get distracted every 7 to 10 minutes, you never enter deep focus. And deep focus equals the place where the real magic happens. Studying becomes easy, work becomes smoother, creativity sharpens. Your mind stops feeling like 37 open tabs. But instead, most of us live in shallow focus, the mental equivalent of trying to drink water with a fork. It just doesn't work. Let me give you a relatable example. Imagine you're studying. You finally sit down, open your books, take a deep breath, and your phone lights up. Ding, your order is out for delivery. You ignore it. You try to stay strong, but your brain is like, delivery? Delivery of what? Delivery when? Delivery where? Delivery how? Delivery why? You check, then you see another notification. Reel, you might like. No, I'm not opening it. You fight. You resist. You hold strong for 2 seconds, then your finger betrays you. And boom. You're watching a guy dancing with a penguin. 5 minutes pass, 10 minutes, 20. Your book is still open, but your brain has left the room and gone to Antarctica with the penguin. And then you say, I have no focus. No, your focus isn't gone. It's just buried under 1 million tiny digital distractions. But here's the part no one tells you. Your brain can be fixed, fast, not in 30 days, not in 21 days, not in 90 days, in 1 week, 7 days. Anyone can do it. Even you, yes. Even you, the person who checks their phone every 3 minutes, and then again because maybe I missed something. So let's talk about the 1-week phone detox that will reset your brain like you just restarted a lagging computer. But before we get into the steps, let me tell you what happens to your brain during this detox. On day 1, you feel weird. Your hand keeps reaching for your phone automatically. You check it even without notifications. You feel like something is missing from your pocket. That's your brain trying to grab dopamine hits it's used to getting. By day 2, you get irritated. Your brain is like, where is my dopamine? I want my dopamine. Give me my dopamine. This is normal detox withdrawal. By day 3, something cool starts happening. Your mind feels a little clearer. Silence stops feeling uncomfortable. You start noticing things. Your thoughts, your surroundings, actual human beings. Day 4 to day 6, your focus starts coming back. Tasks feel easier. Studying feels smoother. You get bored less. Your brain stops jumping around like a monkey on espresso. And by day 7, you suddenly realize you don't need your phone every minute. You take a deep breath and feel like your brain is actually working again. Now let me show you how to actually do this detox in the simplest, most effortless way. Rule 1, turn off all non-essential notifications. If it doesn't involve your family, work, or real life, turn it off. Instagram likes, off. Random app updates, off. Games, off. Messages from a shopping app saying, mega sale, definitely off. Your phone should not talk unless it's something real. Rule 2, no phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. This alone can change your whole day. Let your brain wake up before your phone does. Rule 3, create phone-free zones. For example, bed equals no phone. Study table equals no phone. Bathroom, okay, fine. I know many of you won't follow that one, but at least try. Rule 4. Put your phone in another room when you need deep work. Out of sight equals out of temptation. You can't scroll what you can't see. Rule 5. Replace scrolling with small habits. Every time you want to scroll, do something tiny instead. Drink water, stretch, write one line, breathe deeply. Just 10 seconds, enough to break the urge. Rule 6. Track your screen time daily. Watching it drop feels like winning a video game. Rule 7. One 24-hour social media break during the week. Just one day. Your brain will feel like it just returned from a spa. And here's the best part. This detox isn't about becoming a monk and throwing your phone into a river. It's about rebuilding control. Right now, your phone owns your attention. After this detox, you will own it. Imagine this version of you. No more mindless scrolling. No more losing hours to reels. No more I'll study for 5 minutes. Oops, it's been 2 hours. No more cloudy thoughts. No more I can't focus. Imagine waking up and your mind feels sharp like a knife, not blurry like a mosquito. Imagine studying and actually understanding what you read. Imagine working without constant distractions. Imagine feeling calm, present, and in control. That's what a 1-week detox can do. And here's the secret. Once your brain gets used to deep focus again, you will never want to go back to the distracted version of you. Your phone is a tool, not your boss, not your controller, not your master. You just forgot that you're the one holding it. So try this 1-week detox. Not for me, not for the video, not for productivity. Do it for your brain because you only get one. And it deserves better than being trained like a puppy to chase every digital treat. Take back your focus, start your detox, and watch how your entire life changes.